quick unboxing of a mini Bluetooth wireless keyboard. This keyboard was made for mobile devices such as the iPad or Android tablets or even touchscreen cell phones that don't include physical keyboards. So this also works with the iPod Touch, the current generation. So let's get started. They packaged a lot in this small box, and it came with a few extras that I'll tell you about as soon as we get them out. As you can see, it came with the keyboard, a case, micro USB charging cable, the manual, and that's pretty much it. We're going to take a closer look at everything right now. Here you have the keyboard. It is very thin and light. It's about as thick as an iPod Touch. It's much lighter though, and it feels durable, but it's extremely light. Here is the case it came with. I'm not sure why you would need a case, but it's an add-on. Here you have the micro USB charging cable. It's standard micro USB, so you can already use the cable you probably currently already have. Here is something interesting. This is a stand for, let's say, your iPad or your tablet, so you can prop your device up and not have to worry about holding it while you're using your Bluetooth keyboard. This is a nice extra that they included. And last but not least, you have your drivers and manual on a small CD.